probably same. I'm saying light up on you, saying light up on your face because you people, and I ain't trying as if you a freak, so don't even take it that way. Just say you did it, and yeah, you me, and yeah, you me, and yeah, you probably.
Want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. Want 'em, I got 'em.
Like I said, exactly 7 years to the very day. I said, oh boy, I would love to do a 1-2. Yeah.
1-2.
You know, I mean, I think I got maybe, and I messed up with it.
Mic check, 1-2, 1-2. Mic check.
Well, in the future, so I understand where you're coming from.
1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. Mic check. Mic check. 1-2, 1-2, yeah, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. 1-2, mic check. 1-2, 1-2, mic check, mic check. One time, Coach Calipari, Memphis State Tigers. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, what about them Tigers? We represent. We'll be back next year. Mic check.
If you ask me,
there's a will, there's a way. I know that. My mama taught me that.
They kind of got more motivated.
Yeah, he did. Sure.
He didn't hit all his shots, but you know he played.
No doubt, no doubt. You know what I'm saying? While we got this time, you know what I'm saying? Want to introduce everybody. I'm Mac Marvin represent. Mac Marv! Slug, you got Pimpalicious represent Mac Marvin records. Pimp. Black Haven Zone Entertainment, you know what I'm saying? It's going
Black Haven in the house, y'all.
Yeah, we got West Memphis. I got my man.
West Side.
Larry repping West Memphis over there, Blake, and show your grill.
What's up? You see, it's a certain way.
With a big low, your grill.
Let's go inside.
Yeah, this is website, MySpace. You can check this on MySpace.
Yellow baby, that's how I like my man to treat me.
You know how we do it.
Get dirty with it.
Big J dollar
I want a hot girl who know how to treat a nigga. If I go broke,
Dealt with it entertainment.
she keep it thorough and ain't always in the streets. She know how to treat that meat when we in between the sheets. She hold me down, whether wrong or right. I ain't even gotta speak, she know just what it like. I know just what mommy like, I know just what mommy needs. So she won't go nowhere else, I fuck her 4 times a week. Gotta some bling bling, nice whip, nice pants. To show her I love her, when she trip, I whoops her ass. I'm a man, you a woman, baby, I'm running the show. You don't like it, that shit, there go the devil with the dough. I'm a soldier, I don't fuck with sedated bitches. I need a soldier, I don't fuck with the silly bitches. Don't get me wrong, I like a good girl, but she gotta be half good and half hood girl.
Hold me, give me his heart and everything that I need. I need some water, city, or a canary. Yellow baby, that's how I like my man to treat me.
Mic check. All my artists.
Mic check, 1-2. There we go. That's that. Holla at dealt with, holla at dealt with, holla at dealt with. 2007. No doubt, no doubt. We in the house. We trying to do big things with small. Nah, fuck. It's big things. That's what we doing. We doing big.
We doing big things with big things.
Big things with big things, baby.
The foundation right here, baby. This is foundation.
All right, right now we want to bring to the stage my man Mac Marvin and friends.
Mic check.
Want everybody to put their hands together and give these brothers some support, baby.
Yeah.
We're trying to do it.
Come on, yeah,
2007, baby.
yeah, wake up.
Yeah,
I know y'all been on Bill Street, y'all done had one or two.
A-Town up, M-Town down.
Come on now.
That's right.
Come on now. Don't be scared now. Yeah. I say, I love this though. I love this. You can run it. Yeah, let's crank that up a little bit.
Underground king.
Make Marvin Records, y'all. Yeah. And I ain't been crowned. I check it, diamond in the dirt, and I ain't been found. Underground king, and I ain't been crowned. 1, 2, mic check. Where my folks at, man? Where we at? Where we at? Go ahead, come on, where we at? Hey, yeah. Check. Make Marvin, it's going down. Yeah, now check. I'm trying to get this money.